Good morning students. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 8th standard. The last class we have discussed the third chapter, the factorization. Okay. In this section we are going to see about a linear equation in one variable. Okay. What is a linear equation? An equation containing only one variable with its highest power as 1 is called a linear equation. Okay, only one variable with its highest power as 1 is called a linear equation. The example, 2x minus 3 equal to 5. Okay, this is only one variable. Okay, x. This is the linear equation in one variable. Especially now we are going to see about the solution of linear equation. The value which replaces a variable, in an equation so as to make the two sides of an equations are equal. Two sides of an equations are equal. This is the solution of the equation or roots of the equation. This is the solution explanation. The 2x equal to 5, make the transpose, we get plus 3. Then 2x equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. So x is equal to 8 divided by 2. So x is equal to 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So x is equal to 4. Okay, the value it's replaced in an equation. It has made two sides of equations are equal. Verify. So left hand side. So 2x minus 3 equal to 4. 2 into 4 minus 3, which is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So the RHS and LHS are equal. Two sides of equations are equal. So this is the solution of linear equation or roots of the linear equation. Understood? Okay. Okay, dear student. Exercise 3.6. First question. Fill in the blank. Okay. The first solution. The value of x in the equation x plus 5 equal to 12 is dash. Find out the value of x. X plus 5 equal to 12. This is a given equation. So find the value of x. X only needs, so making the transposition, the 5 left hand side into right hand side. So 12 minus 5. X is equal to 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. The value of x is 7. I have understood. Then the second question. The value of y in the equation y minus 9 equal to minus 5 plus 7 is what? Okay. Now I want to find the value of y. So y minus 9 equal to minus 5 plus 7. This is the given equation. So y minus 9 equal to minus 5 plus 7 is plus 2. Okay. The different sign making the subtraction. After the subtraction we get the greater value sign. 7 minus 5 is 2. The greater value sign is plus. So plus 2. Y is equal to 2. The 9, make the transposition, we get plus 9. So y is equal to 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay. The value of y is 11. Then the third question, the value of m in the equation, 8m is equal to 56. 8m is equal to 56. So m is equal to 56 divided by 8. So m is equal to 1 8 are 8 and 7 8 are 56. Value of m is 7. Okay. Then the fourth question. The value of p in the equation 2p divided by 3 is equal to 30 is what? So now I want to find the value of p. The given equation is 2p divided by 3 equal to 10. 2p is equal to, making the cross multiplication, 2 10. Okay, making the cross multiplication, 3 tens are 30, so p is equal to 30 divided by 2. P is equal to 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. The value of p is 15. Okay, then the fifth one, the linear equation in one variable has one solution. So linear equation, the degree of the polynomial is 1. So the equation is called the linear equation. Okay, the linear equation in one variable has one solution. The quadratic equation has two solutions. Cubic equations are 3 solution. Okay, this is a general definition. Have you understood the fill in the blanks? Okay. Okay, the second question, say true or false. The first subdivision, the shifting of a number from one side of an equation to other is called the transposition. It is true. So move one side to another side of a value. Okay, the second one, linear equation in one variable has only one variable with power 2. So only one variable is correct, but with power is 1. But here given the power is 2, so it is false. Okay, so power 2 means it is a quadratic equation, not a linear equation. Okay, understood the true or false? Okay, next question. Match the following. Option A, B, C, D, E are given. Okay, so x by 2 equal to 10. What is the value of x? Okay, x by 2 is equal to 10. So x equal to, making the transformation, 2 into 10. Okay, x is equal to 2 10s are 20. So x is equal to 20 is the answer. This is number 1. Then B, 20 equal to 6x minus 4. Okay, so x only need, making the transposition, the minus 4 left side, we get plus 4. Okay, 20 plus 4, 24 is equal to 6x. So x is equal to 24 divided by 6. Okay, 1 6 are 6, this is 4 6 are 24. So x is equal to 4. Okay, so x is equal to 4. This is the second answer. Okay, the third one, 2x minus 5 equal to 3 minus x. 2x minus 5 equal to 3 minus x. Okay, so 2x, taking the transformation, plus x equal to 3 plus 5. Okay, compare the variable and numerical. So 2x plus x is 3x, which is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 3. Making the transformation, we get x is equal to 8 by 3. X is equal to 8 by 3. This is the third answer. Okay, then D. 7x minus 4 minus 8x equal to 20. So 7x minus 8x is remaining x, and minus 4 equal to 20. So making the transformation, we get minus 20 minus 4 equal to this x transfer the right side, we get plus x. Minus 20 minus 4, totally minus 24 is equal to x. X is equal to minus 24. This is the fourth answer. Okay. Then the remaining, this is the fifth one. Okay. So explain your answer. Then you have 4 options, A, B, C, D, which is the correct one. Okay. The first is third. Okay. The 3 options get first 3. Then second is first. This is the first. Okay. This C and D get the second is first. Then third one is the fourth. Here the fourth. Here fifth given. So this is the correct answer. Check the remaining also. The fourth one is fifth, and fifth is the second option. Okay. That's all. So option C is the correct. Understood the match the following. Okay, next fourth question. Find x and y. The first subdivision. The solution, the first one, 2x divided by 3 minus 4 equal to 10 by 3. Okay. Using the cross multiplication, 2x plus into minus minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 10 by 3. Then 2x minus 12 equal to, making the transformation, 3 into 10 by 3. Okay. 3 are cancelled. 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. Remaining terms are 2x minus 12 equal to 10. Then 2x equal to, once again making the transposition, 10, the minus 12, so we get plus 12. Okay. And 2x equal to 10 plus 12 is 22. Okay. So x only need, so 22 divided by making the transposition, the 2 get the divisor. So x is equal to 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. X is equal to 11. Okay, I understood. Then the second question, y plus 1 by 6 minus 3y equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so the solution, y minus 3y is minus 2y plus 1 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. I understood this step. Y minus 3y is minus 2y. Then minus 2y, using the cross multiplication, plus into minus minus, 6 2s are 12y plus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. And making the transposition, minus 12y plus 1 equal to 6 into 2 by 3. Okay. Minus 12y plus 1 equal to 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Then 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then making the transposition, 1 minus 4 equal to 12y. The 12y transpose the right side and also the plus 4 transpose the left hand side. Okay. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3 equal to 12y. So y is equal to minus 3 divided by 12. Okay. So 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So implies y is equal to what? Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is the value of y. In this manner, you want to find out the third question answer. Okay. I understood the explanation. Okay, next, fifth question, find x. Find the value of x. The first solution. Minus 3 into 4x plus 9 equal to 21. Okay, the product of two values. Okay, 4x plus 9 equal to 21 divided by minus 3. Making the transformation, we get in this one. Okay, so 4x plus 9 equal to 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 27. So minus 7. Okay, then 4x equal to minus 7. Making the transpose for this plus 9, we get minus 9. Okay, then 4x equal to minus 16. Sum of these two values is equal to 16. Then the same sign. Then x is equal to minus 16 by 4. So 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Value of x is minus 4. Okay. The second question is your homework. Then now I am doing the third question. The solution of third question. 7x minus 5 minus 4 into 2 plus 5x is equal to 10 into 2 minus x. 7x minus 5. So multiplying inside the 4, minus into plus minus, 4 2s are 8, and minus into plus minus, 4 5s are 20x. So is equal to plus into plus plus, 10 2s are 20, plus into minus minus, 10 into x, 10x. Okay. 7x minus 20x is minus 13x. So different sign making the subtraction. So 20 minus 7 is 30. So 13, the greater value sign is minus. Then minus 5, minus 8, totally minus 30. Same sign, which is equal to 20 minus 10x. Okay. Making the transformation, this 20, left hand side we get minus 20. Then minus 30, which is equal to the 13, we get plus 13x minus 10x. Minus 20 minus 30, totally minus 33, which is equal to 13x minus 10x is remaining 3x. So x is equal to 33 divided by 3. Okay, 1 3s are 3, this is 11 3s are 33. So x is equal to minus 11. Okay, so second question is your homework. I understood the explanation. Okay, next sixth question. Find x and y. The first question solution. 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus x minus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 1. Okay. Using the cross multiplication, 5 into this values, 5 into 3x minus 2, then plus into minus minus 4 into x minus 3, whole divided by 4 paisa 20. This is the cross multiplication, which is equal to minus 1. And multiplying inside using the distributive property, plus into plus plus, 5 3s are 15x, plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10. The same manner, minus into plus minus, 4 into x 4x, minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12, which is equal to plus into minus minus, 20 into 1 20. Cross multiplication. Okay. Then 15x minus 4x is 11x, and minus 10 plus 12 equal to plus 2, okay, which is equal to minus 20. So 11x equal to minus 20, and making the transpose, you get minus 2 of this. Okay, so 11x equal to minus 20 minus 2, totally minus 22. So x is equal to minus 22 divided by transpose value, so divisor, so 11. X is equal to 1 11s are 11, 2 11s are 22, so minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. The value of the question is minus 2. In this slide, you do the second question. This is your homework. Okay, using the cross multiplication. Okay, dear student, today's homework, book page numbers 101 and 102. Example 3.30, 3.31 and 3.32. And exercise 3.6, question number 4, third subdivision. Fifth question, second subdivision. Sixth question, second subdivision. That's all today homework. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.